Okay, welcome to the next topic in your Year 9 Science journey. So the next topic after coordinated body systems is called continents on the move, okay? This involves the Earth, okay? And this will take place for around 4 weeks, okay? So the second part of term 2, for about 5 lessons, 5 hours a week. Let me give you some background. So geologists are scientists who study rocks, and they've basically collected a large amount of evidence to show that continents are moving. Okay, people like Francis Bacon, an Englishman, in 1620, discovered that the eastern coast of America seemed to fit the coasts of Africa and Europe. Okay, like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. And tectonic plates, basically plates that form things like volcanoes and earthquakes. California is a very active place for earthquakes, called the place called the San Andreas fault line. And you've got scientists like Alfred Wegener, we're talking about him in this video, suggested that there was once a massive supercontinent called Pangaea, which split to form the continents. Okay, so you'll be studying evidence for moving continents in this topic. Okay, so let me start off by talking about the layers of the Earth. Okay, so layers of the Earth. I'm going to draw basically like a cross-section diagram. You've got the core, okay, C for core. Think of C for core, the center. You've got the mantle. Think of M for middle, C for core. So the mantle surrounds the core, and there's an inner mantle and outer mantle. Same thing with the core, there's an inner core and outer core, but you don't need to worry about this for now. And surrounding the mantle is called the asthenosphere. And on top of the asthenosphere, you've got the crust. Okay, I should be drawing these to scale. So the crust is really thin, the asthenosphere is thin, mantle's massive, and the core is sort of small. Okay, and on the crust you've got the lithosphere, so you've got the mountains, rocks and whatnot. Okay, now the outer layer of the Earth, the crust, is made of rock, okay, solid rock. I should also mention, I should have started with the core. Okay, the core is basically a really hot, extremely high pressure ball of liquid. Okay, and you've got the mantle, okay, on top of surrounding that, which is also liquid, and you've got some you've got some solid bits as well floating around. The asthenosphere, basically, it floats on a layer of semi-liquid, okay? What's a semi-liquid? Liquid is half liquid, semi means half, okay? Semi-circle, half circle, floats on a layer of semi-liquid, okay? Semi-liquid from the mantle. Okay, there's rock and there's liquid in the mantle. Semi-liquid rock, I should say, in the upper mantle. Okay, so the upper mantle, you have the inner mantle and the outer mantle. Same thing with the core. In the upper mantle, the crust, I should say, the crust floats on a layer of semi-liquid. Okay, this is a semi-liquid, floats on top of the mantle, called the asthenosphere. Okay, it's very thick and slow-moving liquid. Very thick, slow-moving liquid. That's the asthenosphere. And the mantle, I should mention, it takes up most of the Earth's volume. Okay, it's a massive layer. The asthenosphere is about 100 kilometers thick. Crust is about 75 k's thick. Okay, and the crust consists of huge cracked plates known as tectonic plates. That's something you should commit to memory. Consists of huge cracked plates called tectonic plates. Think of Tetris when you think of tectonic. Tetris blocks, okay? They're massive pieces. Well, not massive pieces, but they're pieces, okay? They fit together like jigsaw puzzles. Similar thing with tectonic plates, okay? That's what the crust is made of, these pieces of plates. So they're the layers of the Earth in a nutshell.